Hello everyone, Reggie Patterson here with Digital Retirement Rebels, and welcome to this week's Tuesday Tip. Now, in this week's Tuesday Tip, we are going to be talking about 5 different ways you can turn your PLR articles into money content. Now, most PLR buyers tend to be very restricted in their use of their PLR content. For example, if they purchase a bundle of PLR articles, all they can think of doing is posting these articles on their blog as blog posts. That's about all they know how to do. But the experienced PLR buyer knows how to get maximum mileage from their PLR articles by using them in a variety of ways to generate more traffic, leads, and sales. So, let's look at those 5 ways more closely. First, you can compile those articles into ebooks. If you want to sell a book, but you don't actually want to write one, combining several different PLR articles is one way to put together an ebook quickly. And generally, a good book will be around 8,000 to 10,000 words, and with most PLR articles being in the 400 to 500 word range, that would mean you would need to combine about 20 to 25 PLR articles to create a book. And this will require a little effort on your part because you will have to find the articles that cover the different points and topics for that niche that you're catering to. You'll also need to smoothen out the kinks in the content so that it will read smoothly as a book without appearing to be like a disjointed mishmash of articles, which it is. Now, success with this technique is being able to create a book that reads well and is informative. And the benefit of creating a book like this is that it will be totally unique. Unlike other PLR ebooks which come in a biz-in-a-box package that everyone has, yours will be unique. Now, a clever strategy would be to use the sales page that comes in these done-for-you packages to sell your own compiled ebooks. You can use the sales copy from the package, but create your own graphics so that your product looks and sounds different from all the cookie-cutter content that's out there. By doing it this way, you'll now have more unique books that you can sell and cash in on. Another idea to use your PLR articles is to use them as guest posts. Guest posts are a method of traffic generation. Basically, you approach popular blogs or sites in your niche, and you ask the site owners if they'll publish an article or 2 from you. In return, all you'll want is a link back to your site. It will allow you to siphon some traffic from that popular site to your own site. This is an effective method that brings better results the more often you do it. Your efforts will snowball over time. But the limitation here is that almost all site owners want unique content that has never been published before. So you'll need to either rewrite a PLR article yourself or hire someone to do the job for you. But since the research is already done for you in the PLR article, writing a brand new article using the existing research will be a much easier task. This is one method of using PLR articles to drive traffic to your own sites and indirectly generate an income from them. Next, you can break the PLR articles down into email content. If you have an email list, and you should be building one, using snippets of PLR articles in your emails will help you to deliver value, and you won't need to write an entire email out from scratch. Just make sure the PLR content that you use in your emails is informative and engaging, and remember to add a link in your email that readers can click for more information or use some other call to action. This link could either point to a sales page for a product you're promoting or selling, or it could be to a monetized blog post, which leads us into using your PLR articles as monetized blog posts. Monetized blog posts are posts that contain links to products that your readers can buy, or they may contain some advertising. The important thing to realize is that there are opportunities for you to make money from your blog posts. That's the key point. Copying and pasting a PLR article on your blog is well and good, but what's the purpose of it? Information? Sales? A monetized blog post can be a PLR article that has been posted with the intention of making sales. You would need to insert links to affiliate products or products you're selling inside the blog post. Even posts which are not monetized should have internal links on them which link to other posts that are monetized. This makes your site sticky. It keeps visitors on your site longer and increases your chance of making a sale. And one more idea is that you can also take your PLR articles and then use them to create a paid newsletter. A paid newsletter is not only a recurring source of income, but can make you passive sales too if you add affiliate links inside it. And you can easily put together a newsletter which has anywhere from 5 to 10 pages of content. And try to keep your pricing around $7 to $10, and your subscribers will look upon this membership as a small expense and will be less likely to cancel. If you're selling physical products, for example, let's say keto meters, you could have a $7 newsletter that provides keto recipes and tips every month, and then offer the keto meter as an upgrade or a bump to your offer. You could then have several interested people take you up on the offer, and you'll be making sales monthly. Of course, PLR articles can be used to create these newsletters easily. So hopefully by now you realize that a PLR article is not just a piece of content to post on your blog. It's a tool that can generate traffic and sales for you too. So put your PLR articles to use effectively, and you'll be amazed at how effective they can really be for you. Now, we would like to invite you to some free training about rebranding any PLR that you have. This could be text PLR or video PLR, basically any type of PLR. And the training will walk you through the best ways to rebrand it. So if you're interested, you can grab it for free at impc.ws/PLR rebrand. Okay, that's it for today. Take care, and I will see you again next time.